The address field in a dataset often contains very helpful information such as city, state code, and postcode, which when separated can be used to perform useful sorting and filtering by location. Our first step will be to select all of the addresses, so I'll do that with Ctrl-Shift down arrow, and then I'll open the Text to Columns wizard with the shortcut Alt-A-E. If the split in the text string is represented by a character such as a comma or a tab, then we select the Delimited option and then press Next. On the next screen, we select the correct delimiter, which is going to be comma, and I'll remove tab, and then we'll click Next again. And in the final screen, we'll decide what column data format we'd like to have for our output, and I'll leave it at General for now. So I'll then click Finish to complete the split. And you can see the split has been implemented correctly using the Text to Columns wizard.